Hi everyone, prepositions is one of the most commonly asked questions in all competitive exams. It's usually asked in the form of fill in the blanks or error identification. Today, I will teach you a marvelous trick to how to distinguish between at, on, and in prepositions. So kindly keep watching till the end. Alright, at, on, and in are common prepositions used for both time and place. Now, its usage can be easily represented in a simple diagram, an inverted triangle, or any triangle. You can even flip it. But one simple triangle can easily explain you the difference in the usage of these three prepositions. First, let's take up place. Preposition of place can easily be deciphered through the area covered by the triangle. For example, at covers the smallest areas. Therefore, at is used for specific places, specific addresses. For example, Mumbai Airport, meet me at Mumbai Airport, na ki meet me in Mumbai Airport. Meet me at Marine Drive. Right? All your specific addresses. Meet me at school, at work, at church. Okay, all the specific areas के साथ हमेशा at. फिर आता है in. Now, because it has the largest areas, in is used for all the large areas. For example, continent, country, state, province, city. Meet me in Mumbai, meet me in India, meet me in USA, meet me in Asia, in Australia. Right? All the large areas cover in preposition. अभी बचता है दोनों के बीच का, which is on. Therefore, on is used for medium spaces. Medium spaces हो गया आपका floor, street, roads. Okay, meet me on 13th floor. It's not too specific also, but is also not very big. So हम on लगाएंगे. Streets and roads are also not too big, but again not too specific. So street, island, river, beach, floors, road, उनके सबके साथ लगता है the preposition on for all your medium areas. So these are all prepositions of place distinguished by spaces covered. So large के लिए in, medium के लिए on and specific के लिए at. Now prepositions of time, at लगता है again for specific time. Meet me at 5:30, meet me at 6:30, meet me at the noon, meet me at night. So specific time के लिए at लगता है. Then days of the week, again beach वाले time के लिए days of the week and dates के लिए on लगता है. Meet me on 2nd of January. And in लगता है larger time है areas के लिए. For example, year I was born in 2006. Century, month. ठीक है, these are all relatively larger time periods than them. So we will use in for them. Even morning, afternoon, evening के साथ in लगता है. Meet me in evening, in the afternoon. So this is all designated by large, medium, and specific. So this is how this tiny triangle can help you distinguish the usage of at, usage of on, and usage of in. Okay, I did give you away some examples, but can you think of any other examples where at, on, in is used and can be distinguished through spaces? Kindly comment and let me know and educate us on any other examples that you can think of beyond the ones mentioned in the video. Alright, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope after this lecture you never forget the difference between the three, and you can easily, if you do, you can easily just drop the diagram and easily recollect all the spaces and the examples and the associated areas to choose which is the correct preposition that I can choose to get my score in the whatever exams you might be appearing for. Alright, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Do the needful, and that's about it. Thank you.